Starting a business doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Imagine building a profitable income stream with just 99 cents. That's right. Today, I'm going to show you how you can resell ChatGPT prompts and turn a simple idea into a business that can scale. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time gig, AI-powered tools are the future, and you can be part of it. The first thing you need to understand is that AI isn't just a tool for big corporations anymore. It's accessible, affordable, and it's changing the way entrepreneurs can build businesses. With tools like ChatGPT, you can create high-quality, customized prompts that others can use in their personal projects, businesses, or creative ventures. The best part? You don't need any coding experience, just creativity and a passion for helping others solve problems using AI. Now, let's dive into the core of your business, creating valuable prompts. To make your reselling business stand out, focus on niches. Think about what industries or audiences might need AI prompts. Marketers, content creators, teachers, even small businesses. By specializing in specific areas, you'll provide personalized solutions that people are willing to pay for. Each prompt is a valuable resource for your customers to save time, boost creativity, and improve productivity. Once you've created a bank of powerful prompts, it's time to get selling. Start small, maybe with a 99 cents per prompt price tag. Then, as demand grows, expand your offerings. Platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or even your own website make it easy to reach a global audience. And here's the beauty of it. This business model scales fast. As you build more prompts, refine your sales strategy, and increase your online presence, you'll see your side hustle evolve into a sustainable business. The beauty of reselling ChatGPT prompts is that you don't need a huge budget or a technical background to get started. With as little as 99 cents, you can begin your entrepreneurial journey, tap into the power of AI, and build a future-proof business. So, don't wait. Take that first step today, harness the power of AI, and watch your small idea grow into something big.